I just had to pick up the camera because, yeah, I'm going for my first ever retreat as a married woman. Okay, yeah, that's it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so if you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Victoria and my friends call me Vicky, and you're welcome to my channel where I share content on homemaking, home learning, and living intentionally. And guess what? I just had to pick up the camera because, yeah, I'm going for my first ever retreat as a married woman. Okay, yeah, that's it. All right, guys. So I'm really excited. Being a single lady, you can just pack your bags when you're having that nudge or you're having that, feeling that you need to set yourself apart. And I did that a lot as a single lady. I had retreats with friends, like a group of, ladies. I had retreats personally. Like I literally had to travel for retreats, while I was a student. And so this just brings back a lot of memory for me, and I'm really looking forward to the Avon Homemaking Queens Retreat 2024. And the theme for the retreat is building your desired home, right? Or building the home you desire. I think it's building the home you desire, right? So I really am so excited. But yeah, that's that. I hope I get to, have some clips of, of the retreat. But this video is all about telling you what I am, or the bags rather, the bags I'm going to be packing and what I'm going to be putting in them, right? Hopefully I get to show you details of what's inside, but let's just talk about it, right? We can also talk about it so that just in case you're planning a retreat, you're leaving home, and this is what you can pack. All right, so first of all, let's go with the bags, right? This is my designer bag that I'm going to be using. Check out that designer bag. So this is a very light bag. Yeah, and the retreat is just one day. It's a 1 day retreat, like it's a sleepover, right? So I'm spending the night out of my home. And remember that my husband is not staying with me presently, so I've made arrangements for where my son will be having a sleepover. And this is not Kevin's first sleepover, right? I have not put up that video of his sleepovers. So hopefully I get to, carry you along through his sleepovers. Look out for that video, right? And eventually when I put out that video, when I upload that video, I'll come and put it, I'll come and leave the link in this video, right? This is just a reminder to myself because I watch my videos a lot. So this is a reminder to myself. When I come back to this video, I know that I have an assignment to do, right? So for Kevin has been having sleepovers since he was 4. Yes, his first sleepover was when he was 4. Right? Yeah, yeah. When he was 3 plus, yeah, he wasn't even up to 4. Because I'm just trying to calculate it in my brain. He was 3 plus when he had his first sleepover, and that gave me the privilege of being home alone. I recorded that video, but I've not uploaded it. You guys, please forgive me, okay? Um, but yeah, if you want that video, if you want to see that video, if you're eager to see that video, leave me a comment. Leave me a comment so that I can edit that video and post it. Okay, so yeah, my designer bag is just a 1 day, like I said, a one night. Okay, so we're gonna spend in like 24 hours. It's a Sunday through Monday. It's a Sunday through Monday retreat. Okay, so we're going to sleep over Sunday night. Monday we'll have some morning sessions that would last into the early hours of the afternoon, and then we'll dismiss and go back to our various homes. Luckily for me, should I say, luckily for me, this retreat is happening in Enugu, right? So yeah, it's happening in Enugu, so which is a good thing for now. Okay, so yeah, I'm also traveling with this bag. Okay, so this bag is what is essentially, okay, let me just show you all the bags. So there's this, there is this that I'm going to be traveling with, and there's also this and this, right? So let me walk you through what's in what I'm going to be putting in this bags. So this designer bag, this is my designer bag, please. It's designers, all right? I'm sure you know. Go and Google them. So this is my designer bag, is where I'm putting my clothes, right? Um, at first, I'm going to be leaving the home early on the particular Sunday for this retreat. I'll be leaving the home early because we have a birthday to attend. So because of the retreat, we'll not be going for Sunday service. We will do Sunday service at the birthday celebrants home. So we'll do Sunday service there, just relax with them until it's time to head out. The home I'm going to, that birthday celebrant, yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, so after the birthday, we'll now head out for the retreat. So that means that when I'm leaving the house, I won't be wearing what I'll be wearing, won't be, the outfit I'm wearing for the retreat, right? I'll just wear something comfortable. So this bag would have my retreat outfit for Sunday. It will have my night wear. It will also have my outfit for Monday. Okay, so that's three outfits in total. Um, it's also going to take in my blankets. All right, so I'm going with blankets because the idea of the retreat is not to like sleep all through the night. Okay, excuse me, we should be having movies, discussions, just lovely stuffs. This retreat is specifically for homemakers, right? So that's wives and moms, yeah. And yep. So what else will be in this bag? My socks will be here, of course. My flip flop. Okay, so it would be nice to pack a flip flop or a Crocs. Yes, if you have Crocs. I don't have Crocs at this time. I want to buy my Crocs. So, but I have a flip flop that's comfortable. I need that for around. I think my outfit is going to be with a flat shoe. Initially, I was thinking slippers, but I didn't get to do my nails, my toenails. Even if I'm going to do that toenails at this moment, I'm going to do my nails eventually. Probably just paint it myself, just polish it myself, rather. If I don't get to do even if I get to do this my toenails, I think I might be more comfortable with the shoes. I think a flat shoe would be going for me. Probably a flat shoe, a sports shoe, or both. What else? Yeah, flip flop is important. Flip flop or Crocs, so just to be comfortable moving around, the retreat. So that you're not going to just be in your arrival shoe, whatever you're wearing, whether you're wearing heels or what. Okay, so I'm recording this video as a guide, for someone who wants to go on a sleepover, not for a wife or homemaker who wants to go on a sleepover. Okay, so I've mentioned my outfits, right? All my outfits, my footwear, blankets, and socks would be in here. And then what else? Okay, so these little ones will definitely be coming in. So this here is my makeup and hairband. Makeup and hairbands are going to be here. So inside this one, I have this is my makeup, and then my hairband. These are my hairbands and my jewelries. And I was forgetting something. My jewelries, right? That's what is in here. In here is toiletries. This is my regular toiletry bags that I have in my box, like my travel box. So every time I just have to make a trip, I just bring it out. But that other bag, I had to like put those together. Those things are used for different stuff. So my hairbrush is here because my hair is getting old, so I now use brush to make it nice. I've removed. Okay, so yeah, this bag is actually here because we just came back from vacation, Kevin and I, and I've not even put them back in the box. But I think I removed my edge control. But edge control is here. There's shampoo, there's shower cap, there's air freshener. I like to travel with air freshener for toilet, after using the convenience. And what else? I have a hand sponge. I like that because it's very convenient if I need to sponge. Yeah, my toothpaste and the rest. So that's toothpaste. I have soap there. I have body lotion there. I have body wash as well. And what else? Yep. Soap, toothpaste, body wash, and body lotion. Yeah, so to think that I got this gift 2 years ago on my birthday, and I was telling the person who gifted me that wow, this is really nice for like a weekend trip or something like that. So I'm happy that I get to use it before it expires. It's expiring in September. So yeah, I get to use this September this year. So thank God I'm using that. Okay, so yeah, this toiletries. I'm here to put in my soap and my big shower cap. I have a small shower cap there, but I'm gonna put in a big one. So yeah, that's what's here. And what else? This bag. So this one is for my laptop. I'm going with my laptop because of music, so that we can have some music when we need to. And I'm the one who is handling the movie. Yeah, I'm the one who is handling the movie that we're watching. And yep, so I have to put my laptop. So this is my laptop bag. And I'll also be traveling with my Ankara wrapped frame. My Ankara wrapped frame now, you guys. Let me bring one so you see what it looks like. Oh, that's falling down. I'm trying to get one from my shelf. I'm coming. I'll be back. Okay, guys, since I got up, I actually got the one. I'll be traveling with this particular. Yeah, I'll be traveling with this particular Ankara wrapped frame so that we can put our program outline. We've already received the program outline in on the WhatsApp group. So all the attendees already have that. But we're going to have a copy that we could just pass around for anybody who wants. So it's going to be my laptop bag, you know. And yeah, I'm supposed to be traveling with. I'm supposed to work on some games. Yeah, if I get to work on that game, yeah, it's supposed to be called. It's a Bible verses. It's a Bible verse game. So for games, I don't know. I'll still put in my Ludo and my what, okay? But in addition to that, I want to travel with Bible verses. Um, yeah, it's a Christian retreat, so yeah, let's do some Bible games, right? Some Bible fun games.